होता है मेरे साथ बहुत।
झूठ मत बोल, ब्रेड भी तेरे पास,
रंग भी तेरे पास।
Okay, you know what? Whoever does R first wins, okay?
Okay.
ठीक है? So now.
Who does what?
Say first.
Yes, yes.
चकमा देने के सारे तरीके हमारे भाई को आते।
नहीं भाई, मैंने बहुत सीखा है।
Down to.
I gave up in the second one.
Okay. तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या हो रहा है।
This was one liner. This was I'll give you an essay.
क्या रे?
Micro cheating.
हाँ?
When you flirt like little bit, but you're not actually sleeping with someone or you're not. This was one liner. This was I'll give you an essay. Guys, I came on set with a very bad hangover.
And how was your day?
Terrible. I don't remember that day.
You have had a crush on your co-star.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of us.
I acted on it also. It's all
Me
good.
too.
Enjoy.
Okay. Ever been in a situationship?
Yeah.
Life is.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You're tuned to Bollywood Bubble, and for the Mismatch Season 3, we have a group of mismatched individuals. But today, they are very nicely, अच्छे से मुझे बताने वाले हैं ये डेटिंग वर्ल्ड में ये सो कॉल्ड जेन जी टर्म्स का मतलब क्या है, बिकॉज सिचुएशनशिप के बियॉन्ड मुझे वैसे ही कुछ नहीं पता, बट स्टिल विल डू बेटर. ओके, एनीवन कैन आंसर एंड हूएवर गिव्स द बेस्ट आंसर. और अगर नहीं भी पता तो जिसका सबसे हिलेरियस है, वील गिव देम द राउंड. देखते हैं. इजी. सो जस्ट everyone is competing against each other.
Okay.
First one, breadcrumb.
I know this. I know this. When you're basically
दाने छोड़ रहे हो.
correct, exactly. When you're breadcrumbing.
teasing.
No,
Hansel and Gretel type.
No, like for example, I basically leading somebody on. Like you're constantly breadcrumbing them.
Like a storybook example, Hansel and Gretel left breadcrumbs to lure the witch into the castle.
You're giving them just enough attention to keep them hanging.
There we go.
ओए तुम्हें ये टर्म कैसे पता?
That actually is the X.
मैं
That's the
एक
exact.
सेकंड, रुक, तुम्हें ये टर्म कैसे पता? जरा
ऐसा
ये
होता है मेरे साथ बहुत।
झूठ मत बोल,
रोहित ने
होता है.
The receiving end of it.
ब्रेड भी तेरे पास,
रंग भी तेरे पास.
नेक्स्ट अप,
रोहित तो पकौड़े ही बना.
नहीं लगाऊंगा कैंटीन यहाँ पे. I'll give the bread. Next one, benching.
I know.
क्या?
Benching, I know.
Benching.
When you're basically keeping someone on the bench, कि एक निकली तो दूसरी आई, ready,
Back up.
almost like that.
back up.
मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी कहा था, मैं इस टाइम भी कह रही हूँ, ये रोहित की प्लेइंग फील्ड है, समझ लो.
ये क्या बात?
True.
मैंने तो
All true. Listen to your gut.
रोहित
You're right.
and the
beanstalk.
okay, next.
रोहित
Ghosting. I gave it to Sas this time.
अरे but I said it first.
हद हो गई यार.
Okay, you know what? Whoever does R first wins, okay?
Okay.
ठीक है? So now.
Who does what?
Say first.
How is he winning still?
No, winning as in gets to answer.
Okay.
Ghosting is basically when you go. I said it
but
first.
Actually,
I said it
sorry.
first.
But ma'am
I said it
decided
first. No, I said it first.
Okay, so I'll give. Okay, ghosting बताओ और next वाला.
When you ghost someone, when you stop responding, when you disappear on them, basically.
So do you know what orbiting means then?
Yes. Yes.
That I didn't know.
चकमा देने के सारे तरीके हमारे भाई को आते।
नहीं भाई, मैंने बहुत सीखा है.
Orbiting is जब तुम आगे पीछे घूम रहे होते हो किसी के.
What is orbiting?
I think orbiting is when you come back and then
After
disappear and then
And then you come
back.
back
I've got it.
and then you
Ghosting.
disappear.
I just guessed it.
See,
Yeah.
okay. Situationship तो मेरा criteria वो मैं किसी को नहीं दे रही हूँ. Love bombing.
I know.
When you bomb them with love, like
Absolutely
lots of
not.
love, no?
When you
ऐसा उसको
when
बोलो.
you bomb them with love enough to have them be emotionally dependent on you is what's called
So
love bombing.
gaslighting.
Love
Yeah.
bomb baby.
Ghosting.
He's almost there, but yeah, love bombing normally is taken in a negative
Yeah,
connotation.
Yeah,
They give
absolutely.
that
So
attention.
much
They're
love.
too clingy.
To give so much love and then one fine day you'll be like, who are you?
Yeah, it's basically you give them so much love, you shower them with so much love that they're emotionally dependent on you, and then you decide to stop. Like whatever.
I don't know the second thing is also
Okay.
there. The caveat.
This is fun. Cushioning.
This I don't know.
It must be like, I don't know, it must be like letting someone,
these people talk.
like,
Cushioning
I don't even know.
it must be like cushioning
Is it a bit?
a hard thing to say, right?
Yeah, like is it like sweet talking, tough conversations?
No. One more try.
It's definitely not giving them back support.
Pillow fight.
Killing them?
Pillow fight.
Or maybe killing them?
Killing them?
Cushion?
Arey, relax.
Or sitting on cushion and having difficult
What
conversations.
strange kings.
नहीं. अच्छा, this is not that.
What is
What
it?
is
Tell us.
giving up? तो मैं answer
Yeah,
बोलूंगी।
yeah, बोलो,
Okay, so it's basically when you keep people on hold as a backup.
But
that's like benching.
No, it's like you're having the conversations with them.
On
You're
a
in
cushion.
touch with them.
Not a cushion.
You're in touch with them,
I don't think
but
it
they
has
are your
anything to do with a
backup options. They are not your.
But that is benching.
No, that is cushion. You're having a conversation with 4 of us, ठीक है? But सबके साथ सेम लेवल का कॉन्वर्सेशन है, तुम्हें पता है कि ये नहीं तो फिर ये से you're keeping your cushions
benching
Then what
क्या
is
होता है
benching?
अभी अब जो Gen Z terms अब कुछ भी यूज करेंगे तो मैं वही बताऊंगी तुमको।
She'll have to call out
Benching
people.
मतलब और लोग होंगे maybe on the bench. I don't know. Like,
Cushioning is basically emotionally you are still very much vested in the same person at the same level, but they still cannot be the final.
Well, they're both not nice things. So
Yeah, but we don't do
Yeah,
that.
they're both not nice. Okay.
yeah.
छी छी
Yeah, don't do that to people.
क्या है ये?
Cushioning on them.
R.
DTR.
He thought it was going to be F. That's why
Yeah.
I'm telling you that's why he raised his hand.
What is DTR?
Yes or no?
DTR is down to
Run.
run. Down to run. Bhag ke shadi. Woohoo!
ज़्यादा हो गया तुम्हारा।
What is CTR? Give us the.
You if you give it the full form,
See,
we'll
down
know.
to
It's down to ना.
Down to right.
DTR correct जा रहे हो down to आगे।
Down to
Not
right.
run.
Down
Right,
to
not right.
resource.
I'm ready.
Down to
Reflect.
resource.
Down to resource.
Down to roll.
R का
some
एक और भी
elements to
अच्छा
it.
मतलब होता है।
Romance.
Down to roll.
Down to
Rage.
So
Rave.
example
Rave.
rave. You want to मैं तो उसमें आंसर ही दे दूंगी।
दे दो।
रिलेशनशिप के बारे में अगर आप
आप नहीं
बात कर
देना
रहे
वैसे
हो
भी हमें तो नहीं समझ आ रहा
Down
Down
to.
to
Relate.
relate.
down to relationship. So basically,
Down
I
to
want to.
relationship.
It's a DTR means if I'm sending you DTR means.
Oh, are
we
you
need
down to
discuss
a
the-
relationship?
Yeah, discuss the terms of relationship.
Sound like such चाची अच्छा down to
I'm not liking these Gen Z
Yes,
terms.
they are going around, so they are down to relationship.
He
सब
sounded
कुछ
like
चल
a
रहा है,
चाची से
affair,
ज्यादा हो गया
चक्कर,
तुम्हारा आज का चुप करके बैठो
चक्कर चल रहा है इनका चक्कर.
मैं easy वाला अब तो ये कोई भी दे दूँ gas lighting.
क्या?
Gaslighting.
They are going around.
Gaslighting तो
Gaslighting?
हाँ तो
अरे मतलब when you
gaslight someone.
gaslight someone like you
When you
don't-
convince someone
That
into
they are
believing.
you
that they
When you
that,
tell
that it's
someone-
in their head.
no
Yes.
when you're मतलब this only but like when you're at fault but you make the other person believe
Believe
that
that they are
you
the
make
ones.
their
Feel
fault
guilty.
You're
like
explaining
yeah
that. Okay, next one. Soft launch.
When you soft launch somebody in a relationship
when
on
you give
social
a subtle
media.
hint on Instagram
Like a show.
about
Yeah, when you don't reveal their face.
when you reveal your partner but don't
Not
show
show
your
your face or
or
the
like a
name.
very subtle hint
Okay.
मैं तो
Next
answer
one.
दिया.
She's like Chatur from Three Idiots.
Okay.
Give the definition of the
Definition.
book.
She's like going proper. Rohit is like मैं ऊपर से बताता हूँ तुम डेप्थ में जाओ. Fizzling.
Fizzling?
When
when
you're-
the relationship is fizzling
That was easy. sir.
मतलब खत्म हो रहा है
हाँ, धीरे धीरे you know you're not exactly saying कि खत्म हो रहा है but
हाँ
just
You're
fizzling.
letting it die.
you talk only once a day or you just say good morning and then you
I
do
think
this,
Rohit has a tough competition here from
yeah.
यहाँ पे दो
Because
लोग
she's the actual Gen Z, na? in our
She's
group.
the only one who's Gen Z.
At least उसे पता है project has given up.
I gave up in the second one. only.
Okay.
मैं तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या हो रहा
Oh, मैं
Micro cheating.
है. हाँ?
Micro cheating.
when you flirt like little bit but you're not actually sleeping with someone or you're not making out with someone you're just like you're in a relationship but you're flirting with someone or you're not telling the other person that you're in a relationship you're like I'm single that's micro cheating
Good. You are too good. I have to tell you.
Wow.
You're really
Works for
good.
everything.
Okay. Cookie jarring.
that I don't know
This is the second last.
this is the first
This
time
you
I've
can
heard
tell.
I
Is
remember.
it something to do with like trapping someone?
Yeah,
Yeah, if you
I think it was. I can't. Remember.
Almost there. You can do थोड़ा सा उसका better. मतलब
I think when you
almost.
sugarcoat something.
or
that you wanna say.
debauing someone's personality or something
नहीं,
by
नहीं, नहीं, नहीं,
Or
ये
is it
डाको में-
luring someone in and then trapping them?
So basically, you're dating multiple people, keeping them as options, and whichever on which day you feel like.
So
you
basically,
Well,
everything Gen Z
It's
is.
everything cookie jarring is all
One
the
second.
same.
How is that even? You're dating multiple people. I've never heard
Arre,
this.
dating
before.
dating multiple people simultaneously.
Dating,
you're
you're
not
dating.
You're not
dating,
dating,
you're
you're
not
not
dating.
It's like your
You can
cookie
see
jar
this
is
is
full
Like
now.
you're dating one person.
Are you mad? You can't go out on multiple dates?
Multiple
That's what-
dates.
Yeah,
Some
there are.
people
Hello,
man.
दिन में 2 days तो normal है. What are you
नहीं
saying?
I mean you're not
नहीं नहीं
dating.
relax तू कर
अरे shut up.
Okay, last one. This everyone can get. Riz.
Charisma. Yeah, charisma.
Thank you. Thank you आपके मुंह से शायद मुझे लग रहा था ये लोग फिर भी ट्राई करेंगे लगता है like मैं इस जनरेशन से हूँ
मैं यहाँ
नहीं।
क्यों?
आप जब अगले इंटरव्यू में ये वाले सवाल पूछ लेंगे ना, then I'll speak.
वो
Because
यार
now
अब
I
मैंने
know.
सारी बता
अब
दी
सिखा दिया
अगले
आपने।
वाले में प्लीज सबको बोलने का हमें सब आता है
अंकिता ने बताया।
डन ओके दिस वाज राउंड 1 आई थिंक रोहित एंड Asas almost were there. Rohit was like the boys explain the things and Asas was like the girls explain the thing in detail, so I think that is the only end result I could. Of course this was one liner, this was I'll give you an essay. I'll tell you how it's done. We have something else. So if any one of you have done a certain following statement which I am giving you, do narrate the story, a small anecdote if you have with it, and who has done it, great, and the ones who haven't can pick up an item.
Okay.
Okay.
Easy. Take a bite of
I'm
it or
taking the
something.
chewing gum.
पहले ही से ही मतलब
अनारदाना दिख रहा है मेरे को.
बहुत
Oh, there's Vicks.
हाँ, अरे यार मुझे भी वही चाहिए. एक और है क्या?
हाँ.
हाँ है.
मिर्ची क्यों है?
इसके लिए रोहित इस सुंगड़ वाले मोहब्बत है मिर्ची hashtag.
मिर्ची has the same shape as this.
I am going to literally roast him today. Okay, first one. You have never had a bad hangover.
I've had.
I've had.
We've all had.
In front of each other.
We've all had it together.
In front of each other.
No, you
Same
weren't
day.
there. Guys, I came on set with a very bad hangover. Season 3. This was.
You drink?
What?
You allowed?
I'm 25.
1 second. When was this?
You all weren't there.
Season 3.
Season 3.
Oh.
When?
You were there.
Tell us more.
Lollapalooza ke next day. You were going, and this
He was also drunk. Oh, Lollapalooza.
this was
No,
Lollapalooza.
no, I don't
day.
get drunk. Then, next. हाँ,
Yes, I was on set fully in bad.
And how was your
hangover.
day?
Terrible. I don't remember that day.
There you go. You got the instant.
सब बच गए.
Yeah.
You have ever been arrested for a crime or got a challan from cops?
Of course.
चलान तो
मुझे
हाँ.
चलान
मैं तो I don't drive.
Yeah.
So
I don't
चलो
like-
चलो फिर ठीक है एप्लीकेबल ही नहीं है
ये गलत है.
ऐसे
मेरी
कैसे
मेरी
ऐसा
प्रॉब्लम
कुछ
थोड़ा
नहीं होगा
है.
ना तुम
No, I remember you driving, brother.
We don't talk about that.
सबसे पहले he's like that's I am only
No, but
taking
you
a-
drove on mismatch also.
Wow,
Yeah,
उसी की
but
बात
I
कर
can't-
रहे
I
हैं.
can't-
बेचारी जीप.
चलान नहीं लगा इसको तब.
Okay, next one. You can speak more than one language.
I can.
I can't.
I can.
हिंदी इंग्लिश
नहीं हिंदी इंग्लिश को बेसिक के ऊपर चलो चलो
दे दे यार.
क्या
मुझे
खाना
Vicks
है?
दे देना.
मैं पंजाबी बोल सकती हूँ.
I'm so glad you.
ठीक है चलो
राजस्थान
डन
मराठी।
नेक्स्ट वन हु इज द शॉर्टेस्ट इन हाइट इन दिस रूम
Hello.
ये तो बॉडी गलत बात है.
ये तो मेरे को खिलाना था ना उसका
Body गलत.
ये तुम
बड़ी
खा
गलत
चुके हो
बात है।
ये रखो
For short
वापस
person.
ये तुम खा चुके हो वापस रखो
She wanted this. She
नो नो नो
No,
नो
but an item is now eliminated.
eliminated
But
This is all
nuts में तो
yours
different भी
This is
है.
all yours now,
Give
Rohit.
me nuts, please. Peanuts.
now. This is smart
Thank you.
चलो
चलो
next.
नेक्स्ट अप
क्या क्या?
ओके who's the person who has no tattoo on their body at all not a single
I
tattoo
don't have any tattoo. The story is
You
I'm just
also
scared
don't
of.
have,
I
no?
don't have. The story is that I'm just scared of needles.
okay
I still hold the nurse's hand when I'm getting a tetanus.
Have you seen my tenure?
Why are you laughing? It's true.
yeah that's cute holding the nurse's
I
hand
have to. I'm like आप हो ना.
किसी का
इसलिए मैं
पकड़ना है
आप-
ना. हाँ. Even
वो
I'm
लगा
like
रही है भाई तुझे इंजेक्शन ऑफ कोर्स है वो.
हाँ, but I have to ask.
जिनके पास tattoos नहीं है वो तो बिल्कुल ही मतलब they don't have any story to
I
tell
don't
What
think
do you
anything
mean?
is
We all
that
have
prominent in
tattoos.
We
life.
all
Those
have.
who
We
don't
three.
have.
I
We
feel
all
like
have.
we all have
We
tattoos.
have.
Don't.
you're a bathroom singer
Yes.
Yeah. We're all bath.
All of us.
इसको छोड़ के बाकी सबकी तो हिम्मत
तो
बाथरूम में ही हो
actually
सकती
हाँ।
है.
बाथरूम में तो बहुत गाता हूँ.
चलो ठीक है यहाँ बच गए सब you have been dumped over text
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
no way.
I have.
Oh no.
School.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
I have to take then.
Oh, हमने no बोला ना इसको लेना है.
ले लो एक एक आइटम फटाफट आप text पे dump नहीं हुई
What is this?
this is anarda चूरन
I would like one anar.
you have had a crush on your co-star
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of us.
I acted on it also. It's all
Me
good.
too.
Enjoy.
I acted on it.
You some other side. No. Some
this
other
one
side.
is still not sure never
I'm not sure.
हाँ ये लो please all yours
No, bro, you've actually never. Yeah, I've
Yeah,
asked
this
you
is
with every
new
project
for
if
me.
you did.
Never
and you
had a
didn't.
crush on your co-star
Wow.
Gum shums.
Right?
Gum shums.
She's coming next to me.
okay ever been in a situationship
Yeah.
Life is
Life is one big situation.
What is this question?
I have.
Okay, what is this question? क्या सी? Like good children?
Yeah.
हाँ.
Oh, if we have not, we have to eat.
Eat now? क्योंकि और तो कोई तरीका नहीं है खिलाने का. चीज खाया.
मैं गुमसुम खा लेता हूँ.
Oh,
अरे chewing gum है भाई.
What?
bhai, it's like if you
You are allergic
eat
to
a
nuts,
Vicks का
forward.
bottle.
It's about food now.
हाँ, next.
What am I doing here? क्योंकि हमने बहुत सारा खाना खा लिया. Closing it with one last question.
Thank you.
Season 1, loved it. Season 2, loved it. This is 3 times for me. I wouldn't call it love bombing, but just love, 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 and lots of love. How does it feel that it is so eagerly anticipated? Because normally ना हमारे seasons इतनी जल्दी well received होते हैं, and to also have people not just waiting for you with all the new characters, with new synergies, in today's time when love and the definitions, as we have discussed, are just ever evolving. Why mismatched? Because it is not mismatched for me, it is just the perfect match going on. So let's get one reason from each of you.
I think because it's made with a lot of love.
I also think it's because it stays so true to what a lot of old school emotions are, where we all feel that deep down, where it's not clouded with all these filters and terms and complications. Is actually extremely raw, and I think that is how it's normalized in the series, and that's what I love about it.
Yeah, and like just like young adult, I mean, yeah, like irrespective of age, like the way love has been explored, I think I really like that. I'm really looking forward to seeing that, and also even familial relationships and what happens. I think the way love as a definition expands from friends, romance, and familial. I think I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, I think relatability is what connects our show to a lot of the youth, touchwood, and I hope it does this season as well. So I think that's something that you will see this season as well, for sure.
I mean, I think all of them pretty much covered it, but relatability, yes. I feel like we talk about things that are, that like the audience, and the audience is young, our youth, so they feel connected, and they've probably gone through something like that in life, and seeing their favorite characters and seeing their favorite actors play that out, I think that is something. So yeah, relatability.
I think what people look forward to more than the show is the feeling it gives you.
The warm, mushy feeling.
Yes, I think that feeling is, you want more of it. You don't get, you can't get enough of it.
Yeah.
That warm, fuzzy, wholesome feeling that you get, that makes you feel comfortable. It's like that feeling of sitting in your room with your blanket, lights off, just watching TV, just being completely comfortable. I feel like this show kind of brings that, and that's what people look forward to.
I think you made even the small fights and all those small misunderstanding, it's normal. We don't normalize these things. Everything can't be perfect in a relationship.
Yeah.
So thank you for this imperfections, but as I will say, it was a perfect match for me, so I will just stick to that. Thank you for doing it.
Thank
you
you
for
so
always
much.
making
Thank
it
you
fun.
so much.
And nobody better than these guys, I'm telling you. They make it the best possible team.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, this is Rohit Saraf.
Hey everybody, I'm Prajakta Koi.
Hi, I'm Lauren Robbins.
Hi, I'm Abhinav Sharma.
Hi, I'm Ehsas.
Hi, I'm Tarak Rana.
And you're watching me and all of us on Bollywood Bubble with Ankita.